Welcome to Pyramid Securities market report, post-market report. Nifty closed positive today. The trend is intact, though it was looking a bit sideways. The trend is intact. 28 advances, 22 declines. This is an investor education channel. This is an investor education channel. We will teach you how to catch fish, fishing techniques. All these things will be taught here. So if you're a retail investor, if you watch this channel, you can track the market the way we are tracking. It'll be useful to you. I've been tracking the markets like this for several years. So this will give you a better idea about the markets, which means you can be different from the rest of the crowd. The rest of the people who are watching only channels for market views. You can form your own opinion. That's what is our intention and our wish. So 32 28 advances, 32 declines, 18117 close. Open price 18, it's closed above the open price, so it's a bit bullish. And yesterday I couldn't post a video because I was traveling. I was in Bangalore. I couldn't post a video. 54 lakhs, 54,000 crores turnover yesterday 1 to 1.4 times is the advanced declines. Now all indices are in green, almost all except mid cap. India VIX is good, no problem. India VIX, we already talked a lot about it. Intact. So generally, okay, most of the indexes are in green. Today the top performer is like mid cap, micro cap. Today the micro cap is the top performer. Micro cap is gone up by 1%. This is another way of looking at it. Then you can look and see. Then you can click here. This is the broad market indices. This is sectoral indices. It'll give you which sector is moving. You don't need to wait for the stock price. I mean, you don't need to wait for somebody else to tell you. Click the percentage here. So metals and media. Metals has moved of 4%. So something is happening in metals. Okay, something is happening in metals, and see that's a good indicator. This will tell you, metals are going to something is happening in metals. So if you want, you can chase the trend. You'll know what is the trend. Let's look at other indices. Uh, in that only Nifty commodities. So metals has gone, commodity has gone. This is liquid. This we can avoid. This has got all everything is there. But the 50, so we'll look at the top one only. The rest we don't need to look at this point. Not required. And yeah, so there's significant move in commodities, and you saw that in metals also in the sectoral indices. So Nifty now top gainers: Adani Enterprises, Indalco, Bajaj Finserv. Top losers: Hero Motor Company, Dr. Reddy, Cipla, Hindustan Unilever. So volumes, based on volumes, you can, if you look at it, IOB has gone up by volumes. Low price stocks, generally volume is a good indicator, and volume and price action is a very good indicator. That means something is brewing in this counter. Financial services are going to do well. See, today if you look at it, UCO Bank, IOB, PNB, Karnataka Bank, South Indian Bank, Yes Bank, all the banks. If you notice several videos, banks, financial services are going to do well purely because the rising interest rates, they'll get better returns on the better interest rates on their lending. Okay, so banks are going and they have cleaned up the balance sheet. Then we look at value. Value generally is where you can see high price stocks there. So mostly high price. Adani Enterprises up, VDL up 6%, SBI 1%. So Amar Raja Battery, after a long time, I'm seeing some action in this. So with huge volumes, let's look at Amar Raja batteries here. Uh, Amara Raja batteries. See, this could be this could actually this is called a breakaway gap. This is called a breakaway gap in Amara Raja batteries. And look at the normal volume. Normal volume is like 1.25%. See, sorry, normal volume is 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. I think somewhere here 2 lakhs. So here the volume is 1 crore 56 lakhs. Volume is there. There's institutional action. Okay, volume is there, institutional action is there. So please, there's something has happened to this company. Something is changing in this company. This company has been in a very bad performer quite some time. Fantastic company. So something has happened to the company, which the big boys know about it because they do a lot of research. They visit companies. So how we can know some action is happening is by volumes and price rise, which they call it price action. Okay, but price going up, if it's not if the price don't go up with volumes, then it's a fraud. You're getting trapped. Be careful. Okay, then then look at price watch is another place where you can look at a lot of stocks. Goa Carbon has gone up 20%. Some securities, Cereb, oh, I don't know the name, Cerebra International, okay, responsibility. All these guys have gone up, but you have to go and KTK Bank has gone up 13%. You have to go and check. You have to go and check the balance sheet or anything has changed for them. Either anything has changed in their life of the company. Again, this volume it's very important. Visa Steel. We already saw metals. In sector interest, metals doing very well. Amarja, but responded Gandhi tubes, this must be I mean, what do you call it? Index fund. Okay, so SYSIL, all these things you have to go and check. So even Goa Carbon has gone up with volumes. So we need to go and check the balance sheet and get a confirmation that something is happening in the company or a trap. We can easily find out. When you look at the balance sheet, you will easily find out. I'll try and post a video of how to identify good stocks tomorrow, and you can use that process to identify whether a good stock or bad stock. Now we look at India in today's chart. Today's chart, like Bank Nifty, it's yesterday was like it opened low and closed higher, which is bullish, and then today it's taking rest. Another thing is, it's trying to wait. It is not. It is waiting for a breakout here. Sometimes, if they are not able to break out with this kind of candle, it will be a gap up. There will be a gap up. So there will be a gap up on Monday. I don't not know. I will tell you on Monday. That is a good joke. Okay. So most important thing you need to know something is happening is because the premium. Spot is 41 258, future 41 455. Okay, so 197 points premium in Bank Nifty and 197 and 100 points premium in Nifty. So something is happening in the market. Don't get you know, don't be worried about the news. Generally, there are people who will see generally they'll be interested see generally media or anybody they like to give sensational news. The sensational news is not when somebody, hey, he's a good guy, he's not a sensation. Oh my god, he's done this, that is a sensation. So something talking bad or negative is sensation. Positive, nobody's interested, so it's not a sensation. So they always, you will always find so markets will always climb wall of worries. Nothing to worry about it today. And let me look at the weekly charts because of Friday. Now we've been looking at weekly chart. Okay, weekly. Oh, I don't know Nifty. Let's look at Nifty weekly chart. So this Nifty weekly chart, like if you note, if you look at last week video, we had mentioned. See, this is called a spinning top. Spinning top on a daily candle is bullish. Weekly candle ultra bullish. If you see a spinning top formation, if the high is broken, you see the rally here. Similar spinning top, high is see the high is broken. Look at the candle size. Okay, here this is, you understand. So that is the beauty of spinning top. Okay, so the market has gone up. Next week maybe I do not know sideways or whatever it is, but it all depends on Bank Nifty. So now let's look at Nifty here. So this is what Nifty has broken this above this level. Nifty has broken this high, went up, low, went below, and this is a confirmation. So when it goes down, see yesterday it was opened low and closed in green candle, okay, which is bullish. Please understand, opening high, it opens high and closes in red candle is not bullish, it's bearish. Okay, so opening low and closing in green candle is bullish because it's opened lower. Somebody was trying to sell it, but some bulls have managed to keep the price above the open. Okay, so it is tested here, it is tested here, it has gone below and again come up. Now if you look at let's look at a 30-minute chart, you'll have a better picture. Oh, it's not coming out properly. So this is the breakout happened somewhere here. So the breakout happened here. It tested yesterday and gone up. So it looks interesting. Markets are in bullish mode. This is the time to stay in the market, stay and make money. You can watch other videos. We have done a lot of stock analysis. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. It's an educational channel, investor education channel from Pyramid Securities. Bye.